Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will take a look at the bank feature. If you have not already enabled the bank feature, click on the Settings menu and scroll to the screen where you enable the bank feature. Make sure that this feature is turned on. If you have enabled this feature, the Bank Accounts menu will appear on the home screen. Click on the Bank Accounts menu to access this feature. Use this screen to maintain a list of your bank accounts. To add a new account, click on the Add button at the top of the screen. Enter the name of the bank. You can also enter the account number and sort code to help you easily identify the bank, but this is not mandatory. Just as a note, you can remove the active flag on a bank if you are no longer using it. Once you click Save, you will see a list of your banks on this page. As a note, you can connect to multiple banks' accounts from different banks. Click on the Live Bank Feed button at the bottom of the screen if you wish to connect the app to your bank account. This will take you to the Live Bank Integration screen, which is powered by TrueLayer. TrueLayer are specialists at providing links to all the different banks. Their technology or similar technology will be used by most accounting apps to provide this type of service. TrueLayer are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK to provide this service. Click on the Connect to Your Bank button to connect the app to your bank. It will take you to this screen that displays a disclaimer where you confirm that you are happy to continue with linking the app to your bank. This process will then display a list of all the banks in the UK that TrueLayer connects to. Use the filter at the top of the screen to quickly locate your bank from the list. The TrueLayer feature displays another disclaimer that requires your confirmation. The app will then take you to your bank where you will need to log in and select which accounts you wish to share with the app. Please note that this is a read-only feature. We only read the data from your bank. This process does not update or change the information in your bank account. Once you have connected the app to your bank account, you will need to edit the bank account that you set up in the app, and you will need to link it to the real bank account that you just connected to. Now you are ready to download the transactions from your bank account. Click on the Reconcile button to start this process. Click on the Download button at the top of the screen. Note, if the Download button does not appear, then you have not linked the bank account that you set up in Rhino to your real bank account. If connected, click on the Download button to start downloading your transactions into the app. In the Download screen, you can select a date range. Note, some banks provide a time-limited download of transactions. For example, some banks only let you download transactions for the previous 6 months. In this case, you should use the CSV feature to download older transactions. This is covered in another video. Instead of downloading the transactions for a particular block of time, you can change the frequency setting to dynamic. This means that the app will constantly check for new transactions and download them automatically for you. Before you proceed, it is always good to double-check the since date before you press OK. The app should display a message if the download was successful. If it has not been successful, please refer to our Knowledge Center to find help on how to resolve this issue. Once imported, the system will display a summary of the download, that includes the total number of transactions downloaded, and as you reconcile the transactions, it will display the total number of transactions that have not yet been reconciled. Click on the Reconcile button to start reconciling the transactions. This is a very powerful feature. In the interests of keeping our video tutorials short and focused, we cover the Reconcile feature in another video, which you can find in the Knowledge Center. I hope that this video tutorial has answered any questions you may have had about connecting the app to your bank account. Thank you for watching.